Welcome to the Pye Motors Transit Centre here in Morecambe. Telephone number is 01524 598 598, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Just going to give you a quick walk around of this Ford Transit Custom base presented in frozen white. At the front here you can see Ford's new Transit grille design and the black plastic bumpers. The 15-inch steel alloy wheels make for really comfortable driving on the road and on any kind of building or working site you may be on. There's plenty of space in the rear for all your equipment, as well as LED load space lighting, 4 lights, just so that you can illuminate the rear of the vehicle whatever the weather. On the driver's seat we have a height and rake adjustable bottom and 2 passenger seats. The radio has AM, FM and Bluetooth connectivity and can be controlled from the steering wheel in front of you.